Hey, what's up, people out there? How are you? Well, guys, this is the part one of the logical or analytical, or in simple language, we call it reasoning, right? So, guys, this is something what I have brought for you, and this is 20 question. As you all know, 20 question is going to come as far as IB Intelligence Bureau is concerned, right? So I have the collection of 20 questions, and I will try to explain each and every question in detail so that you get benefited from it, right? So before start, subscribe this channel, yeah, because I'm going to provide reasoning. I have already given the aptitude reasoning, and this is the reasoning, and after this video I will give the English as well, right? So all the area I'm going to cover. So subscribe this channel if you really want to crack this exam, because this is a good exam to crack, and you can get a good post with good salary, with good reputation, more than anything else, right? So guys, let's start it. Why not? What is the missing letter in the series? What is the missing letter? X is 24, right? P is 16, L is 12, H is 8. You can see the difference is 4. Here is 4, right? 24. What? T is what? 20. 20, then it will get the difference of 4, right? Got it. What is the missing letter in this series? What is the missing letter? What do you think? Solve it. 25, 5, 23, 23, then 21, then 19. And 19 is what? Your S. S opposite is what? H. And you can remember one more word, that is I. Let me I and S. IS is what? Helping on. This is 9, 19. 9, 19 is a good trick to remember, right? Here you have to also find the missing number, and the missing number is Q. How? You can solve, and I have already given the tool. You just solve it and you will find it, right? Well, guys, just watch my one of the video that is based on alphabetical order, and the trick I have given on that video is very effective for you guys. So just go and watch, and after that you will not face any kind of problem to remember the words number or opposite, right? So watch that video. Anyways, here what happening, if we will 1 plus 32, I mean P plus P, right? Plus 12 plus 5, 17, 18, 20, 3, 50, right? It means this is the adding of apple. Orange, you will add, you will get 60, right? How orange are 15 plus 18 plus 1 plus 14 plus 7 plus 5, you will add, you will get 60, right? Accommodation, rent, journey, fare. कहीं जाते हो, you, when you, anywhere you go, you need fare. You need fare means you do journey by giving money, and that money carry what? That money is, in layman language or in technical word or in any way, we call it fare, right? The next one is what? The next one is choose the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series, right? So क्या हो रहा है इसमें, क्या रखते हैं? DA DH. D is 4, H is 8 plus 4 हो रहा है. AE is also 4, right? Then H 12. Now the next one should be 16. 16 बोले तो P. Here also 5 plus 4 9. I is 9, right? Plus 4 13, and 13 is what? M. So PM is the right answer, and PM is given in this, right? Well, the next question is what? BEINT. What will be the number we have to put in? क्या हो रहा है इसमें? B is 2 plus 3 5. E हो रहा है 5 plus 5 and 9. I is 9. 4 ऐड करो 9 हो रहा है. 9 plus what? 9 5 अगर कर तो 14 होता है, मतलब प्लस 1 ऐड होता जाता है, राइट? 5. नाउ 14 plus 6 20, and 20 plus 7 we have 8 to Z, that is 26. The next number 27th will come as a A, right? So A is your right answer. Well guys, I'm not going to explain each and everything because it is going to take so much of time. A opposite is Z, C opposite is X, E opposite is V, right? And G opposite is T. Grand Trunk Road. As you know, this is very easy to remember. So that's why I'm saying, guys, just watch that video so that you will get a good idea and you can solve any question in a very, as like I'm solving very frequently. It's not like I have any kind of answer. I'm using my mind and just using it, right? D9. क्या हो रहा है यार इसमें, क्या हो रहा है? D6. D here D is 4, right? And J is 10. Difference is 6. P is 6. 16. 16 plus 6 V. So next term 22, right? 22 plus 6 is what? B. This is for sure, and B is only in this, so this is the right answer. Well, in exam you do not need to solve each and everything, you know. Just if you're getting the answer in one stress, just click it and move ahead to the next question, right? YX. क्या हो रहा है इसमें? Very simple, guys. YX, right? Y is 25, X is 24. 1 minus हो रहा है, right? कैसे हो रहा है? अगर if you will see YX UTSONML, right? Oh, sorry. YXUTSONML, right? 25, 24, 21, 20, 19. Then a 16, 14, it's not 16, it's 15, 13, 12. If you will see, the gapping between is 3, then number is continue. Here also the gapping between is 4, right? So the next gapping should be, the next gapping should be 5, and 12 minus 5, what? 7. 7 is what? G, and G is in this answer, right? So this is your answer. The next one is what? Fire, smoke, cloud, rain, right? Grenade, gun. Grenade, grenade to explode anything, not explore is explode anything, Visport grenade. What is the answer of this question? The head and brain is going to be your answer, right? TSHIRQ, क्या होगा क्या लगता है? What do you think? Well guys, this question is little bit of tricky. Here you will see one thing is that HS is what? This is opposite. Here IR is opposite, right? KP, Kanpur, is opposite. So what is opposite? The next one should be this one, this is opposite and this should not be opposite. So one answer only I am finding opposite is LO. L opposite is O. You can remember by LOV, love, right? The next question is what? AEZ, FPY, BGX, and the next one should be what? Here is very easy, actually. It's very easy. A to B plus 1, right? E to G, E is 5, G is 7 plus 2, Z to X, Z is 26, and this is 24, right? Here it is minus, right? The same thing you will do here. 1 G, right? No. Here. F. Here we will do what? Here we will do plus 2, plus 4, and minus 1. How? If you will do plus 2, 6, 8. Let me change the color. H. And might be you were thinking that why I will do plus 2, plus 4, minus 1. If you will not do this, then you will not be able to find the answer. I have already done. I think so much about this question, and this is the solution only I got after solving this, right? So F6, 6 plus 2, 8. H, P, 16 plus 4, 20. T, H, T, X. So first is your answer, right? 8, 12, 6. 8, 12, 6. How you will get the answer? Well, this is easy. 8 into 3 by 2, if you will do, you will get 12. If you will do 6 into 4 by 3, Well guys, reasoning is a subject where sometimes the logic we apply, the logic we enforce, that doesn't make sense, but we get the answer, right? Here as well, 8, might be you were thinking that here we should also multiply by 3 by 2, 2 3 9, 9 should be the answer. No, but the answer is 8, right? So that's why I'm saying sometimes reasoning is a subject where the logic matters, but in exception is always there, right? So let me do once again. यार how you will get 12? How 8 को अगर मैं 3/2 कर देता हूँ, 2 4 4 into 3 12, right? Similarly 6 into, अगर मैं इसको 4/3 कर देता हूँ, 3 2, you will get 8, right? What is in the following question, from the given alternative select the word which cannot be formed by using the letter of the given. Which one is not able to made up with this word? Well, according to me, approve is not possible, because there is no V here. You can see there's no V here, right? Flatter is coded as 7235, right? And mother is coded as this. So the how you will, so mammoth means giant, huge, so how you can, well guys, it's very easy. The answer is there. What I have to do is just like FLETTER, right? 72385859, and mother is given. All you have to do, just pick the words and number, and just like M. I'm writing the answer of this. M is what? 4. A is your 3. M is your 4. O is your 2. T is your 8. And H is your what? 1 2 1. 4 3 4 4 2 8 1 is your answer, right? 4 3 4 4. Just check the answer. 4 3 4 4 6. This is your answer, right? So this is the way you can do it, right? The next one is 16 minus 2 and is equal to 2. 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. 81 minus 1 is equal to 8. How कैसे होगा यार? Well guys, you can see 16 is what? 4 square, right? If I will write 4 minus 2 to 9 is what? 3 square. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, if I will do 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 3 is the right answer, right? Got it? If Pierre is written as G, right? So rip how you can write, right? So the answer is going to be fourth one. If you will do it, it's not difficult. You can do by yourselves, right? So all you have to do is little bit of, if you know the numbering, as if you know the opposite of this is going to helpful in any of the question you will solve as far as reasoning is concerned, right? That's why I'm saying watch that video, and after watching that video I'm sure about that you are not going to face any kind of trouble as far as the counting of words and the opposite letter is concerned, right? The next one is what if the next word is what 54 plus 43 is equal to 2. How? 60 plus 51 is 10. Then 62 plus 72 is how difficult? Very easy. Yes, all you have to do is 54 plus 43. How much? 54 7 97, right? And if you will minus 9 minus 7 is equal to how much you will get? 2. Got it? Same format you have to follow as like suppose 62 plus 72 4 6 13 13 minus 4 is what? 9, and 9 is here, 9 is your answer, right? Got it? Well guys, with this I have completed the 20 question. As you all aware about the fact that 20 question is going to come as far as the reasoning is concerned, right? So I have given the 20 question and practices. If you are finding any kind of difficulty while solving this kind of reasoning, so you can comment below in which question you are finding difficulty. I'll have to resolve it and I will give the answer to you. If I will find it difficulty to give in comment box, then I will find a separate video for it, right? So guys, have a great day, take care of yourself, and don't forget you are freaking awesome.